Blogger has been around for over 20 years. But in 2025, can you still make real money from it? Or is it just a relic of the early internet? Blogger is Google's free blogging platform that lets you create and publish posts without coding or hosting fees. You can connect a custom domain, use built-in themes, and monetize directly with Google AdSense. The catch? Customization is limited compared to WordPress, and SEO tools are pretty basic, so ranking high in search takes extra work. In 2025, it's still secure, mobile-friendly, and easy for beginners. But serious bloggers often outgrow it and move to more flexible platforms. You can earn money through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts, but you'll need traffic and a niche audience to see real profits. If you want a free, low maintenance way to start blogging, Blogger still works. But for long term growth, you might want to plan your next move.